We've got market open coming up on your screens at this point. And I think straight off the bat, a lot of the focus is going to be on IT services, stocks and IT index. Well, what do we have? It's another 1% cut, near 1% cut, 25,600. Nifty Bank is at about 60,550. The Sensex is down about 3/4. The small cap index is down about 1%. The mid cap index will come up on your screen. That is down about 1% as well. The Nifty IT index, if you can put that up at a high level, look at the top-down view, and then we look at stocks. There's another 5% cut. I mean, if you go home and close this week out, this Friday with a 5%, it's going to be a historic 10% rout on the IT space in 2 sessions flat. Who would have thought, right? Just an incredible state of affairs. Look at the stocks at the bottom of the screen. You've got Infosys, TCS, HCLTech, Wipro, Tech Mahindra, and that's just the large cap space, right? TCS is the other one. But look at, Coforge, LTI Mindtree, Tata Elxsi, KPIT, Zensar, Birla Soft. Lots of these names, and we'll keep putting them up on the screen and highlighting some of these. They're all there at the bottom. Muthoot is down about 7.5%. That is Muthoot Finance. So that's a sharp correction on Muthoot as things stand. Well, that is the screen, right? So you got about 40 names which are lower and about 10 names which are higher. SBI, it's easier to count what's up. SBI Life, Eternal and Max Health are up. And everything else is down and out. 225 points lower on the Nifty. Rima.
Well, outside of IT, Hindalco is the big loser today, 4.5% lower. Numbers are largely in line, but the stock has had a fantastic run, 53%. So analysts perhaps are waiting for a better entry point. And plus, debt has gone up. So that is a bit of concern. ONGC slipped nearly 2.5%. Couple of auto names in reverse gear. M&M, Tata Motors, Coal India also under pressure, 1.5%. Very few places to hide. SBI Life, Bharti Airtel, Max Healthcare are holding up in the green. But again, the gains here are very modest. In terms of the mid-cap action, the mid-cap index is down over 1%. The stock which stands out today is Engineers India Limited, 12% up in a very weak market. Strong numbers on a year-on-year basis. The company's top line has gone up by 58%. We've seen the profits go up by more than 200%. I think there is an exceptional, but even if you adjust for that, EIL is clearly the stock of the day on the way up, 12.5% large volumes. Honasa is another one. Mangalam was telling us about it. It's now approaching the issue price of 325. The stock today, after the run-up, is at 310, so still below the IPO price of 324, but getting there. Lenskart sees buying for the second consecutive day. Yesterday, it was clearly the stock of the day. Strong numbers, and today it's seen follow-on buying, 2.5%. The market capitalization of Lenskart is now in excess of 91,000 crore rupees. Bharat Forge hit a fresh record high yesterday on strong numbers. Again, seeing some buying. Hindustan Aeronautics, Urban Company, Biocon up and about in trade. On the way down, a lot of these ETFs are weak in trade. HDFC Silver ETF, Growth Silver ETF, SBI, Nippon. We've seen silver prices come down by 10% overnight. And I think it's the third consecutive weekly loss for silver prices. So that's putting pressure. Muthoot Finance, 10% down on that. Numbers look fine, right, for Muthoot Finance, but the stock is taking a big knock. Tega, which Vinny was telling us about, under pressure. PI Industries, also numbers very disappointing here. Stock is weak in trade. Indian Hotels, 3% down. Cohance Life, 6% lower. The screen is red and the advanced decline ratio is just getting worse. We've got about 1 stock advancing for 6 stocks which are declining. Nearly 2,000 stocks, Prashant, now in the red.
Yeah, no, absolutely. It's a red screen, right?